How to make a photo collage on Android. This click method lets you combine multiple photos into one beautiful layout. First, open the Gallery app on your Android device. Next, tap on the photos you want to include in your collage. You can select multiple images by long pressing on one photo and then tapping others. Following that, once you've selected all your photos, tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner. Now, tap on Create from the menu options that appear. Moving forward, select Collage from the list that appears. This will automatically combine your selected photos into a collage layout. Afterwards, you can choose from different collage templates and layouts by swiping left or right at the bottom. In addition to that, tap on individual photos within the collage to adjust their position or swap them around. Once you're satisfied with the layout, you can also adjust borders, spacing, and background by tapping the Settings icon. Subsequently, if you want to add filters or effects, tap on the Edit icon to enhance your collage further. Moreover, once everything looks perfect, tap Save in the top right corner to save your collage to your gallery. And that's it. If this video was helpful, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget the bell icon for more Android tips. See you in the next one.